Yo guys, this is Zboy Montebon for another video, and today's video, I'm back.
This is Zboy Montebon.
I'm back. So ano nga ba talagang mga nangyari sa akin since nag-left ako ng YouTube? It's been I guess 6 months or 5 months or 8 months or 7 months. I don't know. So nag-left ako sa YouTube dahil nga wala na akong mga equipment. Wala na akong camera, wala na akong anything, wala. Don't have any inspiration to do it. So but then hindi naman nawawala sa puso ko na mag-YouTube ako and do things like this, like speaking in front of the camera without any awkward. So that's it. At ano ba? Okay, ito yung mga nangyari sa buhay ko since hindi na ako nag-YouTube. I focus on my studies para matapos kong college life ko. Also, ito yung mga naging itsura ko. Ang ginawa ko ay everyday akong nagpipicture ng self ko sa aking cellphone, at noong ako ay nag-practicum, like practice teaching, kasi nga diba yung course ko is Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino. Tapos doon ako ano nga tawag dito, nag-practicum sa Carmen Christian School, malapit lang dito sa amin, and it went well talaga. At nakikita talaga sa mukha ko doon yung mga pagbabago and changes na nangyari sa aking life. And the next sequence na makikita niyo sa video ito ay mga pictures ng aking mukha. Like the changes na nangyari at ang mga nangyari sa practicum days ko. Okay, so yun. Yun yung mga nangyari sa buhay ko. And of course, I graduated sa college na, which is very it was fulfilling. It was really one of the greatest things na nangyari. Oy! May sing-sing na siya! So ito yung sing-sing ko from my class ring. Ayan. May pa yan. May talaga to dahil space stone to. From Thanos kinuha ko. So that's it. Okay. Questions, babalik ba ako sa YouTube as Zboy Montebon? Of course, babalik ako sa YouTube soon enough. And Ano pa ba? Kung mag-continue ba ako sa YouTube? Of course talaga I just needed time to find equipments and to get ready for myself. Dahil meron na naman akong mga ideas on what I will do and or what I will make in the future. That's it. Okay. This is Zboy Montebon signing off for this video. If you like this video, click thumbs up. Tweet me at Zboy Montebon, and that is it. Bye bye. Sige na, be, I'll just watch you here.
Dali asab.
Ano dito, Duro? Duro pa ako sa Duro ako.
Ikaw dala sa pikas sa Dakar.
Hello. Ano ba? Hi there! What a magical morning, eh? So I'm walking down the streets of Cebu City like by myself because I want to try adulting stuffs. That's it. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of love.
Kadang sa super mabilis Batman.
Waffling. Sino waffling? Ah, vlogger? Friend si Elio, si Gano.
Just stay here and lay here, right in my arms. It's only a moment before you're gone.
Hi, just want to tell you something. I need a break from everything. Lagi nag-check pa rin parang natawanan siya kato. Paano ba kato? Salida bitaw siya zila kato. Deep web. Sweet tonight, way too short to get on this ride. No, I'm not just trying to tell me that I gotta be home when the street lights go. You can watch your TV show. I will watch what I wanna watch. No, I won't listen to you. Do what I wanna do and I will walk this road ahead. 100 miles in my head. need to show you, 'cause I gotta show you. And if you don't believe me now, I'll flip the whole world upside down. Do I need to show you, 'cause I gotta show you. If you don't believe me now, I'll flip the whole world upside down. 'Cause I gotta show you, I gotta show you. We gotta show you now, we really gotta show you now. I gotta spell it out, I to spell it out. I really wanna see it now, watch me walk across the crowd. I don't wanna hurt about, listen to me. Show you now, we really gotta show you now. I gotta spell it out, I to spell it out. I wanna see you. See the one knocking 99. We'll walk this road ahead, 100 miles on my hands. Do I need to show you? Show you? Ano na yung bike niya?
And we on a level now. If I get too fucked up, promise you'll hold me down. Yeah, it's that shit you can't deny. It's that shit you feel inside. It's our life, our time, we living well. Late nights in the city causing hell. Burn this vision to the ground and well. All we got tonight, let's do this right. Let's do this right. Let's go to paradise. This shit feel like Friday nights. This shit made me feel alive. Feel like we in paradise. Paradise. Don't know if it's a dream or